Hello, and welcome to Module 4. I am Dr. Sri Banerjee, Core Faculty for College of Health Professions at Walden University. Let's do something different for this module. Just follow along. Imagine that you are sitting in an airplane, taking a trip to somewhere far. You are a globetrotter at heart, but also a humanitarian. You are a global health practitioner. I personally went to India with the intention to understand need and make a difference. Of course, I had an advantage because I was familiar with the culture already from my upbringing. But in this course, I will ask you to imagine that you are in a setting where the resources are not all available. I will share with you in real time some of my first experiences of walking through one of the poorest slums in the world, the Dharavi slum, located in Mumbai, India. Here, just to give you an example, I would be shocked at some of the open, overflowing sewers during monsoon season, which would start in early July. I was overwhelmed with sadness, but also wonder as to how people survive in such dire and overcrowded conditions, and how surveillance would be conducted here. Surely enough, when COVID hit, this area was especially affected, with more than half of this slum being infected with the virus. You will be experiencing in this module, through virtual reality, the unique plight of people who live in slums. This may have different names in different countries, but all over the world, there are unique challenges of studying this population. So this innovative technology gives you a unique opportunity to experience life in the slum in a culturally immersive manner. This is the power of using virtual reality. This journey empowers you to understand the plight of individuals living in resource-poor settings. And remember, with great power comes great responsibility. So as you virtually walk through the largest slum of the global south, remember that improvement can only emerge after need has been understood, assessed, and addressed. As always, combining my clinical and public health insights, I will provide you with resources to tackle the unique challenges of conducting research and surveillance in this area. After all, poverty is an unfortunate reality in all worlds, as pockets of deep urban and rural poverty exist within the United States. Paul Farmer, a global health Harvard professor, said it best when he called it the fourth world. So in summary, poverty and vulnerable populations require special considerations when conducting research, regardless of country. You'll find the discussion quite engaging. I hope you found this video really useful. Thank you for listening.